If you're trying to mirror your iPhone screen to a TV or Mac but it's not working, let's fix it step by step. First of all, make sure devices are on the same Wi-Fi. Screen mirroring only works if your iPhone and the receiving devices like Apple TV or a smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, check for compatibility. Not all TVs support AirPlay, so make sure your TV or device is AirPlay enabled. For Macs, you need Mac OS Monterey or later and AirPlay receiver turned on. After that, restart your iPhone and the device you're mirroring to. Sometimes a quick reboot clears up connectivity issues. And if you're using Apple TV, go to Settings, then tap on AirPlay and HomeKit. Here, make sure AirPlay is turned on. And for smart TVs, check the AirPlay settings in the TV's settings menu. Next, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen and tap on Screen Mirroring. Then select your TV or Mac from the list. And if you don't see your device, wait a few seconds and try again. After that, update your device. And for that, go to your Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. After that, go into Software Update and make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS. Also, check for firmware updates on your TV or Apple TV. And if you're using a VPN or personal hotspot, it might interfere with AirPlay. Try disabling them temporarily and then retry mirroring. If nothing works, try resetting network settings. And for that, go back to the General Settings menu, then scroll all the way down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then go to Reset and choose Reset Network Settings from the options. This will reset your Wi-Fi and network settings. Just reconnect after the reset. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.